We're going to explain how to resolve the dreaded SSL certificate _verify failed error when using Python's urllib library. This error pops up when your program tries to access a website secured with HTTPS, but it can't verify the website's SSL certificate. This usually happens because the certificate is expired, self-signed, or from an untrusted certificate authority, CA. Let's look at how to fix this. 1. Understanding the problem. The SSL certificate is like a digital ID card for a website. It verifies that you're connecting to the legitimate website and not an imposter. When urllib can't verify this ID, it throws the error. This is a security feature to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. 2. The insecure option. Use with extreme caution. The simplest but least secure solution is to tell urllib to ignore the certificate verification. This should only be used if you completely trust the website and understand the security implications. You essentially bypass the security checks. This is done by setting the context parameter in your write single quote urllib.request.urlopen write single quote call. Here's how. Python import SSL import urllib.request context =SSL . Create _unverified context. Response =urllib.request.urlopen. https://www.example.com context =context html =response.read print html. Remember, using this method weakens your security significantly. Only use it if you absolutely must and understand the risks involved. 3. Verifying the certificate manually, recommended. A far safer approach is to download the certificate from the website and add it to your system's trusted certificate store, or add it to your Python code as a specific certificate for specific websites. This involves more steps, but it keeps your security intact. The exact steps depend on your operating system. For Windows, you might use the Management Console. For Linux or Mac OS, you might use the command line. This usually means you are verifying if the source you are fetching from is reliable. 4. Using a custom certificate authority, advanced. If you are dealing with a self-signed certificate or a certificate from a private CA, you need to add that CA's certificate to your system's trusted certificates. This is a more advanced technique and involves understanding how certificate authorities work. You would usually install the root CA cert into your system's trust store. 5. Checking for network issues. Before assuming a certificate problem, rule out network issues. A temporary network outage or a firewall could also block access to the site, mimicking the certificate error. Try accessing the website directly in your browser to see if there are any network problems. 6. Updating your Python version and libraries. An outdated urllib library or Python version could have bugs related to certificate handling. Make sure you have the latest versions installed. You can also check for updates to your operating system, as this will include updates to trusted root certificates. In short, resolving SSL certificate _verify failed requires carefully weighing security against convenience. Always prioritize security, using the insecure option only as a last resort and under full understanding of the potential risks. Verifying the certificate through trusted means is the preferred and safest method.